In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to use the Settings section to manage your website, integrations, restaurant information, subscriptions, and account activity. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, select Settings. The Settings section allows you to manage your restaurant configuration from one place. Let's begin with Website Settings. Here, you can view your restaurant's website domain. Next, choose the website template that best matches your restaurant. Use the Preview button to view each template before making your selection. Under Manage Your Website, you'll find two options. Select Open Website to view your live restaurant website. If you want to customize your website, select Edit Website to customize your website content and design. Below that, you'll find several website options. Enable or disable Add to Cart, depending on how you want customers to place orders. Enable delivery if your restaurant offers delivery services. Turn on Pay Now if customers should pay while placing their orders. Enable Pay Later if customers will pay when they pick up or receive their order. After making your changes, click Update to save your settings. Next, select Integrations. This section allows you to manage all connected services. Under POS Integrations, you'll see your currently connected POS system. Below that, you can browse all supported POS providers including Clover, Square, Toast, 3S POS, Food Hub, Lightspeed, Quantic, POS Launcher, Order Counter, Kitchen Hub, Deja Pay Pro, and more. Next, open the Payment Gateways tab. Here, you can manage your connected payment gateway. Depending on your configuration, you can securely view your merchant credentials or unlink your payment gateway whenever needed. Now, select Delivery Integrations. This section allows you to connect supported delivery providers such as Uber Direct to streamline your delivery operations. Now let's open Restaurant Profile. Here, you can review and update your restaurant information. The Basic Information section includes your restaurant name and website. The Contact Information section stores your primary contact details. The Location section contains your restaurant address, city, state, country, and zip code. Next, review your working hours. Select Edit to update your business hours. Choose the opening and closing time for Shift 1. If your restaurant operates with separate lunch and dinner schedules, enable split shifts. Then enter the opening and closing time for Shift 2. For example, you can set one shift for lunch service and another shift for dinner service. These working hours help Voice AI provide accurate business hours to customers. They also determine when Voice AI should continue accepting orders. After updating your schedule, save your changes. Next, review restaurant settings. Here, you can review your cuisine type, POS type, service type, time zone, and currency. At the bottom, you'll find onboarding details. This section shows when your restaurant was first onboarded and when it was last updated. Once you've finished making changes, click Save Changes. Next, open Subscriptions. Here, you can manage your SnapMenuAI subscription. At the top, you'll see your current plan, billing cycle, next billing date, and monthly subscription amount. Below that, you'll find all active SnapMenuAI services included in your subscription. The Payment Method section displays your saved payment method. If needed, you can update your payment details at any time. The Billing Summary shows your recurring charges, setup fees, payment status, and total billing amount. At the bottom, you'll find your payment history. Here, you can review previous invoices and download PDF copies for your records. You can also update your subscription or cancel it whenever needed. Finally, let's open Audit Logs. The Audit Logs section helps you track activity across your account. Use the filter at the top to display logs for a specific module. Each log shows the request method, module, user, status, and the date and time of the activity. This makes it easy to review account activity and monitor system events whenever needed. The Settings section gives you complete control over your website, integrations, restaurant profile, subscriptions, and account activity, all from one centralized location. Thank you for choosing SnapMenuAI.